All right, so let me show you how to hide your caller ID on your iPhone Air. So you want to go into settings. Under settings, go all the way down to apps, tap on that, and then under apps, look for phone. So you might have to scroll depending on how many apps you have. You're looking for the P section where there's phone. So tap on that, and then under phone, if you scroll down, you will see the option to show my caller ID. So tap on that, and then if you have more than one SIM card, it's going to ask you to choose the SIM card you want to change this for, and then you can either enable or disable show my caller ID. Okay, so there's going to be a switch here, and of course this also depends on your carrier. Some carriers may or may not allow you to show or hide caller ID. So there's a switch here which you can use to show or hide caller ID. Thanks for watching and good luck. I'm kind of having some problems with my carrier, not showing this and not being able to find the right setting, but this is where the switch is. Good luck.